Good morning, I'm Maiki Oreta with the latest in business here on the Bilyonaryo News Channel. Local shares dropped by over % Monday, along with other Asian markets, as U.S. President Joe Biden's decision to drop out of the U.S. presidential race fueled fresh uncertainty. The PSE index shed almost 80 points and closed at 67.12. The market has been trading for over half an hour now. Let's take a look at how it's doing. So far, we're seeing a sea of green. Everything is in the green except for the property sector. It's down by 1.1%. Taking a look at the PSE index, we're higher by 0.4% to 67.41. The all shares index up as well, slightly up by 0.3% to 36.09. The financials up by 0.1%. Industrial sector up by 0.7%. Holding firms are up as well, up by 0.8%. And the biggest gainer so far is the services sector, that's up by 1.2%. Mining and oil up as well, up by 0.6%. And as we said earlier, the property sector is down now by about 1%. Now, we spoke to Luis Limlingan of Regina Capital, and he said he expects the local bourse to take price action cues from the U.S. following President Joe Biden's big decision not to seek re-election. He also said, on the topic of the sauna, he said that the move to completely ban pogos, that's not too worrisome. He says it's not a big issue because many of the index heavyweights themselves have very little exposure to the pogo sector, if any at all. He also says that power companies specifically, we could see price action movement there after the president mentioned investments in the energy projects to address foreseeable power shortages. He also says that he hopes foreign investors see the sauna as a catalyst to buy in the market, and we certainly hope so too. And those were the latest stories this hour. I'm Maiki Oreta. We'll be back at 10. Keep it here on the Bilyonaryo News Channel, always on top.